Do you hit up Sydney Motorsport Park much or what?
Yeah.
That's the local?
Yeah, that's the local, yeah.
Oh, good. I'm usually drifting on that track.
Oh, nice.
I haven't really done any circuit laps around it, to be honest. Like to go down for World Time Attack.
Yeah, I'm always there.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
There. We're trying to get my DC5 in for World Time Attack.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
Who does like your engine builds on your Hondas?
So
and
I've
stuff?
done most of it myself, and then I give
way.
it to one of my mechanics. Yeah.
Do you have like a workshop or something? Or?
No.
No, you just the pace. Alright, let's roll up into third. That's good. Keep your left one off to the side. This is where you want to brace. We'll stay in third until we get all the way around the back into the outside sweeper.
Yep.
So as we come through here, this is actually kind of an off throttle point until this cone here. So there's a big bump, and then you can accelerate through the corner, all the way up to the red cones. Accelerate all the way up to them just here. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't even really worry about the brake. Just coast through, just roll in, get your driving line right, start looking for your apex. And then pick up the throttle at the green cone, straighten the car up on the exit. Rev third gear out up to fourth. Just gotta turn in, stay tight to the inside. We don't use brakes here, we just do a big lift and then a roll on the power. That's good. Over to the left. Brake at the red cone. Back to third. Good. Feed the steering in nice and tight. So what I want you to do, Sahel, that corner is very important. I need you to lean your feet, lean your right foot on the brake pedal into the corner all the way until the green cone. Okay. So we're going to trail brake, right? So we're going to trail all the way until our apex. So we can still do it on these smaller corners, but it's not as important as it is on those big ones, okay? So here we just lean on it just to keep it on the nose, back on the gas, all the way up to the red cone. Just lean on it as you turn. Yeah, pick up the gas, out wide to the left. Left and turn, accelerate in a straight line. Just focus on having smooth, soft brakes through there, so you can trail through this one as well, okay? That's good. Just roll on the power. Okay. Get your brakes done. Downshift. Keep your foot on the pedal. Keep your foot on the pedal, don't lift it. See how you lift it off like that?
Yeah, and then
you feel the car release, you kind of go straight. We're just going to keep that pressure on. It's not much, it might only be 10-20% of pressure, but that's all we need, alright? Use the road on the exit. Aim for the purple cone, not the red one. That's good. Let it turn, back on the gas. Use the road. Very light here, very light. Get it turned, back on the gas. Left to the left. Turn in, accelerate now. Go. Just hold through here. Just get you up there. So after this right-hander, they're going to pull to the right-hand side. You're going to pass on the left.
Yep.
Yep, you're good to go. Gotta be careful on the clutch and the gearbox, alright? On the brakes, back to third. Just leave your foot where it is, focus on steering, get it in the apex a little bit more, back on the gas, good. That was nice, man, very nice. Most of your time will be in how well you use the brakes.
Yep.
You want to do a nice ease and squeeze on the brake pedal, just a squeeze and a nice ease off it, okay? That's good. At the corner, accelerate. And just hold your speed. Mustang just a pain. So don't get too hyper focused on going deeper in the brakes, just trying to get the technique right. Is better there because I don't know if you feel all the bumps on the outside line. Just trying to keep it in the middle of the road. Just jumped off it way too early, that's all. So instead of going like, 100% and then down to 50, then off it, try to go 100, 80, 70, 50, 40, 30, 20, Very fine movements of your foot. A bit tighter. Yeah, that's good. You're on the gas, you shouldn't be on the gas until then. Yeah, the only reason you're on the gas early is because you overslowed the car. That's better. Just bleed off. That's better. Turn in. Back on the gas. Go. Straighten up. Go. That's much nicer. Too early on the throttle, that's fine. You're on the gas already.
Hit the gas, yeah.
If you roll off, you won't need to get off it until here. There we go. It's hard because you think you're going to drive off the road, but you're going to trust the car. Right, that's us done anyway, so Hale. You can just keep moving. We're going to go into the pits behind you.
Oh, we're going in the pits as well, man.
Copy. How was that, Sahel?
Oh, that's fun.
Sweet
That's
as?
crazy,
Yeah, nice, man.
It's so much different from like a souped up road car.
Yeah.
So much different.
It's good though, because, we just gave you a fast track course and what to do. It doesn't matter what car it's in. It doesn't matter what track you're on. It doesn't really matter what conditions it is. It's the same philosophy. Right, so we're trying to load the front tyres, we're trying to roll off the brake as we rotate the car, and we're trying to release our brake pedal right at that apex, so whether it's a front wheel drive, rear wheel drive, all wheel drive, trying to carry that speed and momentum through the corner. Bit of a standoff here, you're right. Just go further down the end. Yeah, just next to the boost would be sweet, man. Alright. Oh, thanks, Sahel.
Thank you very much.
With everything,
that was awesome. Thank you very much.
Hope to see you at Time Attack.
Oh, 100%.
I'll be there drifting around, so
I'll be